Hi, so for this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off DMs on TikTok. So if you're that kind of person that don't want other people keep on sending direct messages or don't want notifications, so keep on watching because I'll teach you to how to solve that problem, okay? So make sure you're logged in into the app and then click profile. Then as you can see here on the upper right side of your screen, you'll see three little lines. You want to click on that, and then settings and privacy. And then here on the first section, you will see the privacy, so click on that. And then scroll down until you see the direct messages. And then if you see that, just click on it and then click the direct messages. Then click no one so that no one can send you direct messages. So the first problem solved, and then the second problem about the notifications. So go to the content and display and then click notifications and then scroll down, and here you can see the section where it says messages. So you want to click on direct messages. Make sure that you turn that off, okay, so that there's no notification. Okay, so that's all, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.